Let's change the owner of a Stripe account immediately. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to stripe.com. Move your cursor to the upper right corner and click Sign In. Enter your login credentials and hit the Sign In button to access your main dashboard. Once the interface loads, look at the upper right side of the page and click on Settings. This opens up your general configurations. From here, scroll down to where it says Business Settings and click on Team. This is where you manage user permissions. Right now, you see the current list of users. Click the purple button in the top right corner that says New Member. Enter the exact email address of the person taking over the account. Next, scroll down to the Roles section and select Administrator. The important thing is that Stripe requires the future owner to be an administrator first before you can fully hand over the account. Now click Send Invite at the bottom. The recipient will get an email invitation to join the team. In my case, I always tell the new person to check their inbox immediately because they need to accept the invite and create their password to log in. Once they accept the invite, refresh your team settings page. You will now see their name listed as an administrator. Look directly next to their name, click Edit, and choose the option to transfer ownership. A security prompt will pop up asking for your current password to confirm the transfer. Type it in and click Confirm. Now that goes both ways. When you transfer the ownership, you instantly lose all primary control, administrative rights, and the ability to change banking details. The new owner gains full legal responsibility for the account, and you are downgraded to a standard user role. Make sure you are completely ready to give up this data access before hitting Confirm. Once you submit the password, the transfer completes instantly. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.